Article written by Vijay Muli. The Art of Understanding Chennai's Real Estate Psychology. By Vijay Muli, Chennai. Chennai's real estate market is a complex landscape shaped as much by emotions as by economic factors. Let's delve into the psychological aspects that influence both buyers and sellers in this dynamic environment. Understanding the buyer's mindset. Buyers in Chennai are driven by a mix of emotions and practical considerations. They often experience fear of missing out, FOMO, the pressure to buy quickly, especially in a competitive market, can be overwhelming. Emotional connection. Finding a property that resonates on a personal level is crucial for many buyers. Safety and security. Feeling safe and secure in their new home is a top priority. Financial anxiety. Concerns about affordability and getting a good deal are common. Social proof. Positive experiences and recommendations from others significantly influence buying decisions. Idealism vs. practicality. Buyers often have an idealized vision of their perfect home, which can clash with practical considerations. Decoding the seller's psychology. Sellers in Chennai also have a unique emotional journey. Key factors influencing their decisions include emotional attachment. Many sellers have deep emotional connections to their homes, making it difficult to let go. Financial pressure. Economic factors often necessitate the sale, creating stress and urgency. Fear of lowball offers. Sellers worry about receiving an offer that undervalues their property. Desire for control. Sellers often want to feel in control of the selling process. The role of psychology in real estate success. By understanding these psychological factors, real estate professionals can create a more positive and rewarding experience for both buyers and sellers. This involves empathy and support, addressing the emotional needs of clients with understanding and compassion. Expert guidance, providing clear information and strategic advice based on market conditions. Building trust, establishing strong relationships based on honesty and reliability. To learn more about navigating Chennai's real estate market and understanding buyer and seller psychology, subscribe to our YouTube channel for expert insights and the latest market update. Would you like to focus on specific strategies to address these psychological aspects?